Welcome to Cities and Roads, where we take you on immersive journeys across Europe's most captivating cities. Today, we're exploring one of France's hidden gems, Lille, a city at the crossroads of history, culture, and modern flair. Located just an hour from Brussels and 2 hours from Paris, Lille offers the perfect blend of French elegance and Flemish heritage. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a fan of architecture, a food lover, or simply a curious traveler, there's something here for you. Let's explore the soul of Lille, its heart, the city center. Lille's name, derived from Lille or the island, refers to its early position on an island in the Dole River. The city's origins trace back to the 7th century, but it rose to prominence in the 11th century as a commercial hub of Flanders. Its location made it a prize captured and recaptured through centuries. From the Counts of Flanders to the Dukes of Burgundy, from the Habsburgs of Spain to finally being annexed by Louis XIV of France in 1667, Lille has changed hands many times. Each era left its mark, from defensive walls and citadels to churches and civic buildings. The 18th and 19th centuries brought industrialization. Lille became a textile powerhouse, its spinning mills and factories attracting workers from all over France and Belgium. This boom laid the foundation for the modern city you see today. No visit to Lille begins without the Grand Place, officially named Place du General de Gaulle, after Lille-born General Charles de Gaulle. This square is the vibrant heart of the city. Dominating the plaza is the Vieille Bourse, or Old Stock Exchange, a 17th century masterpiece of Flemish Renaissance architecture. Its inner courtyard becomes a second-hand book market and chess venue in the afternoons. Around the square, you'll find a blend of architectural styles, Baroque, Art Deco, and modernism. Each building tells a story, from the Théâtre du Nord, housed in a former guardhouse, to the Column of the Goddess, commemorating Lille's resistance against the Austrian siege of 1792. North of the Grand Place lies Vieux-Lille, or Old Lille, a district that feels untouched by time. Narrow cobblestone streets snake between rows of Flemish houses, their colorful facades and ornate gables showing the area's prosperous past. This area once housed merchants, artisans, and guilds. Today, it's a trendy quarter filled with designer boutiques, artisanal food shops, and independent galleries. Yet, the past lingers in the brickwork, in the lacework of window frames, and in every corner turned. Visit the Hospice Comtesse Museum, once a medieval hospital run by nuns. Inside, you'll find antique furniture, religious art, and reconstructions of medieval life. Stop for coffee or a gaufre ferret, a filled waffle, at Meert, a patisserie beloved since 1761. General de Gaulle himself was known to indulge here. West of the Old Town is the Citadel of Lille, built by France's legendary military engineer, Vauban, in the 17th century. Shaped like a five-pointed star, it was considered state-of-the-art military design. Though the Citadel itself is still a military base and close to the public, the surrounding park, known as Bois de Boulogne, is a haven for locals and tourists alike. It features walking trails, playgrounds, picnic spots, and a small zoo with free entry. It's the green lung of Lille and a place to breathe deeply. From haute couture to vintage treasures, Lille's city center is a shopping haven. Rue de Bethune is the go-to pedestrian street for mainstream shopping and cinema. Meanwhile, nearby streets offer high-end fashion, thrift shops, and everything in between. Just a short walk away is Eurela, a futuristic shopping and business district. Designed by architect Rem Koolhaas in the 1990s, it connects Lille Flandres and Lille Europe train stations, and features over 120 stores. It's sleek, spacious, and perfect for a shopping spree. Don't forget local markets like Wazam's, especially on Sundays. It's chaotic, colorful, and absolutely authentic. Cheese stalls, Moroccan pastries, and vintage clothes all under one roof. Lille is alive with creativity. Declared European Capital of Culture in 2004, the city has embraced the arts with fervor. One highlight is the Palais des Beaux-Arts, one of France's largest fine arts museums. It houses works by Rubens, Goya, and Delacroix. But modern art has its home too, at LAM, a museum focused on modern, contemporary, and outsider art. Nestled in nearby Villeneuve-d'Ascq, for something offbeat, head to Gare Saint-Sauveur, a former train station turned cultural venue. It hosts festivals, art installations, DJ nights, and even food trucks. The city's walls are also canvases, murals, and graffiti color underpasses and side streets, giving Lille a raw artistic edge. Food in Lille is a celebration. The cuisine is rich, hearty, and unmistakably northern. Start with a Welsh, a savory, beer-soaked cheese dish served with bread and ham, then grilled to golden perfection. Add a side of frites and you're in heaven. Sample carbonade flamanda, a slow-cooked beef stew marinated in local beer and spices. Or try moles frites, a French classic with a Flemish twist. Pair your meal with a beer artisanale, as Lille has a thriving craft beer scene. And for dessert? Go for gaufres de myrte or tarte au sucre, a sweet pie that's simple, yet satisfying. Lille is also a perfect base for day trips. Hop on a tram or bike to Roubaix. Once an industrial town, now home to La Piscine Museum, a stunning art gallery inside a former Art Deco swimming pool. Back in Lille, explore quiet courtyards like Cour de la Vieille Comedy or enjoy riverside strolls by the Dole, especially around dusk when the light is golden. Hidden gems are everywhere in Lille. You just need to wander with open eyes and curiosity. Lille isn't just a stopover. It's a destination. It's a place where centuries of history meet youthful energy, where French tradition dances with Flemish soul, and where every corner reveals a surprise. Whether you're here for the food, the art, the shopping, or the serenity of its parks, Lille welcomes you with open arms. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this deep dive into Lille's city center. Until next time, keep exploring.